Hey, it's Steph at Glow Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Microbiome Restoring PM Moisturizer. Wake up to clearer, healthier skin with this advanced nighttime gel treatment cream targeting breakout-prone skin. It delivers deep overnight hydration, smoothing, and boosting clarity without clogging pores. Powered by a transformative microbiome restoring complex to repair and strengthen skin's moisture barrier, plus reparative marine actives and birch water to reduce breakout causing inflammation. It plumps and conditions skin, smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. After cleansing and toning, apply an even layer to face and neck and massage lightly. Layer it over your favorite PM serum for extra benefits. Use it as part of your nighttime routine. This nighttime moisturizer is exactly what my skin needs to get the most transformative beauty sleep ever. It's weightless, but also delivers that deep hydration that my skin needs at night. I love pairing it with the BHA Clarifying Gel Moisturizer for during the day.